How's it going, everyone? I want to make a quick update. A lot of people are saying, can we get an update on CRKN? So I want to show you guys the daily chart, where we're at, and this play has literally done exactly what the system has really told it to do. We hit the upper band, we go a little bit above it to the 5 or 6 ATR, and what do? We sell off. A lot of people get sucked into this range because, yeah, I get it. Price keeps moving up, and you're like, man, I could have made a 30 more percent. So you get in, and then it just plummets down, right? So where does price go to? Always your EMAs. They always go to your lower EMA 5, 10, and 20. Look at any chart, and you'll see why price goes up and down in waves. It's because of the algos directing it to where they want it to go. So you see price going up and down, up and down. Where do we have to hit? EMA 20. And to a T, this is what it did on this one right here. To a T, only algos can do it, and then they accomplish the mission, and it can go down or whatever from there, right? So then it goes down, and then it goes back up, and it's just a constant motion of waves, right? But we know where price has to go. My bottom reversal is when price gets close to the bottom band with some time distance, like right in here was pretty close, and it had time distance of the EMA 20, which is this light blue line. We knew we had to hit it, and so price goes ahead and hits it, because that's what price does. It moves in waves. You get a small correction, and that's all that we need to make money. So what is the current price action doing? As you can see, this is looking, it's insane. Big move up, right? And then it just comes soaring down and goes right under the EMA 20. I tell everyone, these is where you like to buy it, right? This is where to get it. Right in here, it has a lot of big distance away from or like range or upside, whatever you want to call it, from this EMA 20. And it's down quite a bit from here. And then we know there's a lot of distance to the EMA 5. And so we get this, hold up, let me put this back. I lost my cursor. So we get this massive 30% gain right in here, and then it still goes up more. So we went from 8 cents to 13, and then it goes back down under the EMA 20, and then we make this another bounce to the EMA. Oh, this time we hit the 10, because sometimes it will do that, but we like the EMA 5 for more conservative target, and then it goes back down. So there's really not much to look for. We were back under the EMA 5, that made another move up to it. Could have made, decent gain, as I'm pretty sure this was moving after hours too, right in here. Yeah, look at this nice move up after hours. It hit the upper band on a 15-minute time frame, so we knew we had to take a step back. If you were watching this and you had my system and you're like, holy crap, that's hitting the upper band, we probably should be getting out, and that's why, guys. So I was looking at, so just do keep that in mind. It works in all time frames. It doesn't matter. It does all the same thing. But as you know, the daily candle is more respected than lower time frames things. So if I look at a daily candle, it's more significant than what a 15-minute candle. So just keep that in mind. So yeah. I mean, CRKN, Crown Electric, can it go up? It's not really the room I like up to it. It could hit the EMA 20 here, absolutely, and that's sitting at 0.950. So it's just not, really the room I like it for conservative, gain. As you guys know, when you watch my system, I like to look for, a lot of range up, at least to the 20 and 10, and I want to make sure we're under the EMA 5 for precise entries. We are sitting at a K on the KDJ for 12.19. It's not like terribly, up there, so it is pretty oversold. But yeah, I think, if we can get a nice move up, we can get in this black space here and start making those uptrend types of moves. But who's to say? We've seen GWAV take a reverse split. We've seen BNED get a reverse split. We've seen Peggy. A lot of these lower price stocks that had these big moves up are, taking a beating, right? Because there is a very small window to make money sometimes on these. And so you just got to be very conservative on when you enter. So no, I'm very neutral right now on CRKN, for the ones that are, wanting the update on this. If you stick to my plan, my system, this is not really a system type of play. We were right on the EMA 5, so the price did what it wanted to do. You could make that massive move up. I like these kind of plays down here where there's big move up to the EMA 5, so you can get a 30% candle just like this, and that's massive. And then, if you're lucky enough, then it gets above here, and then you could have made some more money. So, but always take the gains when you have them, and yeah, that's about it for CRKN. I'm just a little scared about it. I don't know. Do they have any corporate actions? I mean, releases here. They did file an 8K on June 11th. We can look at this here. Anything that comes out of here. Okay. So yeah, you just got to make sure the company was they granted the company's request for continued listing on Nasdaq. So okay, we got right that June 11th, the company was notified that the panel had granted the company's request for continued listing on Nasdaq. So you just got to look at here, and there. You know, don't let these SEC files go unnoticed. Do take in mind if you want to see them, look at the releases under Webull. And you'll see these things pop up here and there. There's one on June 10th here too, but we don't have time to look over all of it. This is to show you the system, because the system is what works the most. This is what's going to give you consistent gains. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see this system, have your chart like this, and win over 90% of your trades, I can get you there. And I would never get you to chase way up in here. You're never buying the pumps. You're always buying, you know, undervalued, and you're selling the rips to the chasers. That's all that is to a strategy. You want to buy low, sell high, and that's the name of the game. So if you want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe, avoid scammers, because we have over 4,000 members coming in here fast in a short amount of time frame from YouTube. And we've only been doing this for a couple months. People love the strategy. It works, it's easy to use, and it's very understandable, you know, because we're always looking for average true range. You want to make sure where you go into a stock is where price reverts to the mean, right? So that's the main thing. So do join the free the premium Discord when you click the link. All you have to do to subscribe is so easy. Hit the premium chat here, and all the links under here or channels will be activated for you to subscribe. So it's only $6 a month, and if you do it on your computer, it's only $6. If you do it on your phone, it might charge you an iOS fee of $1 or $2 or more. So I like to let people know that. RTK Swing Trades, you're going to get alerted on your phone when I enter and exit a trade. So do keep in mind, you're always in the loop. Education videos, you're going to see my actual videos on how to, you know, make massive money with this strategy. How to properly accumulate, how to set up your chart, and all that. RTK Journal is where you can look at what trades I'm in, what stocks are you in. You can just open up the journal, see my wins, losses, and my averages. I try to keep it transparent because I've been in Discords that pay hundreds of dollars, and you know, we know trading is a losing market. Over 90% of traders lose. And there's no system. A lot of people have no system. They're just chasing, and they're just throwing darts, and there's no, you know, how do I get precise entries? I tell people, look at the 1 minute and 5 minute. When price is on a lower time frame, that's where we look for entries. When price hits this lower band, price tends to revert to the mean very fast. So we want to make sure we're hitting the lower band on a simple 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. Even on this right here, as you can see, we hit the lower band, and then we shoot straight back up. So yes, so once we see that, we take note of this, and because it happens so fast, we look for the entry at near the low of this low candle here, and sure enough, it meets with under here on this candle here, and that's where you get the entry. There's so much things to do with this strategy. I hope you guys really take advantage of it, and it's only $6 a month. You can use it however you want, but I'm here for you guys. I want you to be successful. Nobody likes someone, you know, nobody wants someone to lose money. I am your biggest fan, guys, because if you make money, I make money. And you know, success and dreams are built on financial freedom. You can do this job wherever you want. If you perfect it and you have the patience and you take each trade how you want to, I think you guys can win a lot of these trades. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about Crown Electric. Is there something that I didn't notice, like some catalysts you're looking for? I'm just giving you guys the system type of trade on what I see and the range up to the EMAs. So that's the best way on how I take it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and join the premium Discord if you like to. I'll alert you guys new trades, and you can use my system to find trades yourself. Happy trading, stay blessed, and hope you guys take care.